Do you ever feel like life is rushing past you while your mind is stuck somewhere else, either worrying about the future or replaying the past? If so, you're not alone. Acceptance and commitment. Therapy, or ACT, teaches a powerful skill called mindfulness that can help you bring your focus back to the present moment and fully engage with your life. Mindfulness isn't about clearing your mind or achieving some perfect state of calm. It's about noticing what's happening right now with curiosity and without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you're training your brain to focus on the present instead of getting lost in distractions or worries. Let's try a simple mindfulness exercise together. Take a moment to pause and notice your surroundings. Look around and find 5 things you can see. It could be the light coming through the window, a book on the table, or even the texture of your clothing. Now find 4 things you can touch. Maybe it's the chair you're sitting on, the floor beneath your feet, or your own hands. Next, notice 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste, even if it's just the air in your mouth. This exercise is called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique, and it's a great way to anchor yourself in the present moment. You can use it anytime you're feeling overwhelmed, distracted, or stressed. Here's an example of how mindfulness can help. Imagine someone named Emma who feels anxious before an important meeting. Her mind is racing with thoughts like, "What if I mess up?" or "What will they think of me?" Instead of getting lost in those worries, Emma pauses and uses mindfulness to ground herself. She notices the feeling of her feet on the floor, the sound of her breath, and the texture of the paper in her hands. By focusing on the present, she's able to calm her mind and approach the meeting with clarity. Mindfulness doesn't just help with anxiety. It can improve focus, reduce stress, and even make joyful moments more meaningful. The beauty of mindfulness is that it doesn't require any special tools or settings. You can practice it anywhere, whether you're walking, eating, or even doing the dishes. The next time you find your mind wandering, remember this. You don't have to control your thoughts, but you can always choose where to focus your attention. And when you focus on the present, you give yourself the gift of fully experiencing your life. So, what's one moment today where you can practice mindfulness? Start small. Take a few deep breaths, notice your surroundings, and see what it feels like to simply be here, now.